Microsoft 365 is coming this Monday, July 1st, for our company. We're migrating, y'all, and it's happening this coming Monday. Pray for us in IT. We need help, but we'll get through it. Absolutely, we'll get through it. We're going to crush it. We're going to get through it. But today on the show of AJ Tech, I want to talk about one of the things on Microsoft 365 that you need to use: cloud storage. If you're not using it right now, you need to start using it right now. So as per usual, get yourself a beverage, sit back, relax, and let's talk about OneDrive. Back in the day, we used to have what is called hard disk drives, HDD. And pretty much they were just these bulky disks, and it would be writable disks in a metal container within your computer. Something like this, for example. Let me pull this over here. This is an external hard drive cased in that sits outside of my home file server tower over here, and it's just an extension. It's just an additional drive. I've had that since 2009, to be quite honest. It's a WD brand. It's 1 terabyte, and it holds a lot of files. And the server tower I have over here also holds some files too. But they're all saved locally, only on my home network. I can't access them nowhere else but my house. I have to be connected here at home in order to get those files. But cloud storage, I'm able to access those files anywhere at all. And I mean anywhere. You can access them through mobile device. You can access them through, say, you're out traveling. Maybe you're visiting family and, hey, can I borrow the computer? And I just need to grab a file. It's in my cloud storage. So you sign into your account and you can pull it off via web browser. Fantastic, right? Easy way to access your files anywhere you go. And it's saved right there in the cloud. What is the cloud? Basically, it's somewhere out there. It's housed in one of Microsoft's bases in the world, but it's out there for you to access online via the internet, which is why it's called cloud storage. So, in your computers nowadays, just kind of give a little example. Nowadays, you'll find what is known as a solid state drive, an SSD. That's what it stands for. And they pretty much are flash drives, but acts as your hard drive. This is it. I have one of these right here, loose out of the computer. This is what is known as a solid state drive. This is what holds your entire operating system, holds all your files locally on your computer. This little chip right here, isn't that crazy? And it's only 256 gigs. That's not a lot of memory, is it? And that's pretty much standard in a lot of laptops that you buy right out of the store, like Walmart or somewhere that's already boxed and ready to go. That's your standard anymore. And that's not enough memory, especially if you have a lot of files and you save it locally on your machine. You have no external storage for anything else. Maybe that's all you use, is maybe you just have the one laptop. Hang on. Maybe you have one of these at your house. You have a laptop and that's all you have. You have nothing else, and there's only 256 gigs of solid state. And what is solid state? It's basically like a glorified flash drive. It saves it instantly. It's faster. It's better. It's a little bit more expensive. That's why they only package with 256 gigs. You need cloud storage. This is where cloud storage comes into play for you, like OneDrive. So let's take a look at my system here and show you what I'm talking about. All right, you ready for this? OneDrive. I have it already downloaded and installed on my computer, but how do you get OneDrive? Where do you go find it? Microsoft.com. So let's go open up Edge here in the handy dandy search bar. And we're just simply go to Microsoft.com. And right here, if you want to get a plan, I'm signed in already. I'm going to sign out actually real quick. All right, now we're at Microsoft.com. We're going to go to 365 right here. So click on that. And so here's your options. For home, for business, enterprise, educational purposes, you want home. We're just talking about the basic home user for this one. I don't care about the companies right now. But you can click on here and you can see the pricing plans for all this, for home, for business, all sorts of great stuff. You can do a 30-day free trial, I believe. So let's click on see pricing plans. Here it is right here, the pricing plans, which I believe are reviewed over in our Microsoft 365 overview. But this is the one I have right here, is the $6.99 a year, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Defender, and here it is, OneDrive. That's what we're looking for. You get 1 terabyte of that storage, or you could buy for $6.99 a month if you want to do a monthly fee. I highly recommend the yearly because it is cheaper in the long run, and it'll save you some money that way. So $69.99 a year is not bad. But if you're needing it for multiple people in the household, you can get up to 6 people for the $99.99 a year for only also, if you want to do this way, $9.99 a month. That's not bad. Up to 6 terabytes of secure cloud storage. Pretty much every person in the home gets 1 terabyte if you have 6 people in the home, or so forth. So it's actually a pretty good bundled deal. Really nice to have. So I'm going to go ahead and sign back in here. From here, I'm going to go to Microsoft365.com. And here it is, the Microsoft 365 suite. You can install all this as apps, which I already have installed as an app. So that's how you can get all your apps installed here. But just kind of give you a quick overview. This is where you can also access your OneDrive cloud storage. You can click on there. This is basically the web browser version. And the link up here, OneDrive.live.com, is the link to access this directly. As you can see, all your files are right here. You can click on here. Here's all your files. Easy peasy. You can go to your recycle bin. You can restore any files you might have accidentally deleted. I think they hold it up for 180 days. Not 100% sure on their retention thing on that, or you can just instantly delete them. But you are able to get those accessed if you like. I'm currently using, of course, 203 gigabytes of 1 terabyte at 19%, so still got a lot of room left to go. If I ever need to upgrade, I'll upgrade it when the time's right. But I don't need to be greedy. 1 terabyte's good. Honestly, I think that's all you're going to need is 1 terabyte. If you want to go for 2, go for 2. But 1's plenty. Let's just be honest. 1 is plenty for the individual person, for the one family member. But, you know, I share my personal plan with my family, but I typically manage all the files and keep it all operational. So that's pretty much it for that. So let's go ahead and close that out real quick and kind of show you right down here, right below my video here. If you see my mouse cursor, it's the OneDrive. So if you click on that there, hang on, let me move myself out of the way. Give me a second. There we go. Perfect. So as you can see, it says your files are synced. OneDrive personal. Here's all the all the recent stuff that's uploaded. Access recycle bin. You can view it online. You can open up the folder directly here. If you right click on it, oh, it pops up that way too. You can go to settings here, and you could adjust your settings here. You could unlink it from this PC if you like. You could choose which folders will be available on this personal computer. You could select what to sync, what to back up. If you like to back up all your files, you just manage. You can manage it. You can manage what you want backed up easily, and it's really easy to go through and navigate. So you can like manage backup right here. You can select what you want backed up, like your documents, your pictures, your desktop. You could do music. That's not backed up because that's 4.1 gigabytes. I don't need that backed up. It's all iTunes. It's all already stored on the cloud on iTunes with Apple. I got 7.0 gigabytes of video not backed up, but I don't need it backed up. Why? Because I pick and choose which one needs to be backed up for later purposes. A lot of it is just these recordings I do, and I just need to go through and delete them because I don't need them anymore. All right, so, but yeah, you can select and choose which ones to back up, all that fun stuff. Here's the accounts, notifications, about it, boom, easy peasy stuff. You can get a shortcut created on your desktop here. I also, well, I don't have it saved down here. You can access it through your start menu here. But if you open it up here, say you click on the shortcut, shows up like File Explorer, and it's already there for you on this sidebar here. Right there available for you to access. And you can maneuver whatever you want to do with it right here through File Explorer. So that's the perks of having a cloud-based storage is one, you know, you can seek them through multiple devices. You can access your files anywhere. I mean anywhere, online, like on your smartphone, on another computer, just by simply signing into your Microsoft 365 account. You can gain access to your folders. You can access all your files. You can back up your entire computer onto this thing and it'll be right there for you. That's the amazing thing about this whole thing and why you need cloud storage. So with that being said, and I'm not saying OneDrive is the only thing you should go check out. Go check out Dropbox, which they are pricier. I've looked recently. Or you can do Google Drive. I actually do have a Google Drive. And I actually have stuff because I checked into it just a little bit ago. And I'm like, whoa, I have stuff in here. And I don't even remember having stuff in there. So I want to go deep dive into my Google Drive and see what's all in there. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there and take care.